So do you also wish to generate the summaries of the PDF received on your Outlook mail automatically using an AI? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to summarize PDF received on Outlook mail using AI agent. So I receive a lot of mails on my Outlook mail, and now here my objective is that when I'm going to receive a new mail with an attachment, then automatically OpenAI should read the attachment and generate summary for that PDF, and after generating the summary, automatically that summary should be sent as a mail on my Gmail account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my email parser with OpenAI and Gmail using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically summarize PDF files received in Outlook using an AI agent. It's a great way to quickly grasp the key information from reports, invoices or contracts without reading every page. Alright, so as you all know that I receive a lot of emails on Outlook with PDF attachments like reports, contracts and proposals. So now reading through each PDF takes a lot of time, especially when I'm busy or on the go. So by using an AI agent to automatically summarize the PDF files I receive on Outlook, I can quickly understand the main points without having to open and read the entire document. This helps me save time, stay organized, and make faster decisions whether it's reviewing a client proposal or going through an internal report. Alright, so here on my screen you can see my Outlook mail, and here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a mail on my Outlook with an attachment, then I want to generate a summary for that PDF file using OpenAI. And after generating the summary, automatically I want to receive that summary as a mail on my personal mail account. So that I can go through the summary very easily. Alright, so now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Outlook account with my OpenAI account and my Gmail account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And here in the browsers, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect to access the Pabbly Connect account. Alright, so here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as summarize PDF received on Outlook mail using AI agent. And now after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So now here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is the response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as email parser by Pabbly. Yes, I'm going to use a feature by email parser by Pabbly because here I want to get the attachment links as well for the Outlook mail received. So an email parser is a tool that automatically extracts specific data from incoming emails. People use it to save time and avoid manual copy pasting, like pulling out order details, contact info or tracking numbers from from email. So here I'm going to use this particular feature to get a perfect attachment link of the attachment received on my Outlook mail. Alright, and now here I'm going to select my trigger event as new email received. So that whenever I'm going to receive new email on my Outlook mail account, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Alright, so now after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received an email parser address over here. So it says you need to send or forward the email to the above mentioned email parser address and we will fetch all the details from that email. So now here what we need to do is that we need to copy this email parser address from here, and now here let me take you to my Outlook mail account. So this is my Outlook mail account, and from here we are going to click on the settings. Now here in the settings we are going to select forwarding and IMAP option given over here, and then here you can see we have received the option for forwarding. So it says you can forward your mail to another account. So here you need to enable the forwarding, and then it says forward my email to. So here in this particular address I'm going to remove this address, and then I'm going to add the new address that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the new address, and then here after entering the mail address I'm going to click on this save. And with this, we have successfully set up the forwarded mail address in our Outlook mail account. So now let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see as it is waiting for email parser response. So here to receive the response, we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission, we are going to send a test mail to our mail account through another Gmail account. So for that, let me take you to the another Gmail account. Alright, so this is my another Gmail account, and here I'm going to add the recipient as my Outlook mail account, and here after adding the recipient, I'm going to add the subject as loan agreement because I'm going to send a loan agreement with this mail, and here after adding the subject, I'm going to attach a loan agreement over here with the text as hello sir, please find a loan agreement attached with this mail. Alright, so here I've added a body, and then I'm going to attach the file over here. So this is the test loan agreement file. And now after attaching the document, I'm going to send this mail over here. And here you can see it says message sent. That means we have successfully sent a mail over here. So now let's go and check our Outlook mail. And here you can see we have successfully received a mail over here on our Outlook account through a Gmail account. And here you can see the attached PDF received with the text as hello sir, please find your loan agreement attached with this mail. Alright, so now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the details as to row is group display address, subject as loan agreement. Here you can see some another details as well where you can see so many other details, and here in the last you can see the body text and the attachment links of this mail. So now with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new mail on our Outlook mail account, and after using email parser to get all the mail details, what we are going to do is that we are going to use that attachment file link received from this email parser response for OpenAI to generate the summary of the PDF received. So for that I need to connect my OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect in the action step given over here. So in this action step I'm going to select my action application as OpenAI. So OpenAI is a company that develops advanced AI tools and models like ChatGPT. People use OpenAI to create content, write code, answer questions, and even generate creative ideas. So here in this OpenAI action step, I'm going to select my action event as extract content from PDF or image. So by using this particular action event, I'm going to extract the content from the PDF, and then I'm going to generate the summary for that PDF using OpenAI. Alright, so now here to connect my OpenAI with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your OpenAI account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me for the API tokens. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my OpenAI account. So this is my OpenAI account, and from here I'm going to access the API keys given in the left side bar. And here in the API keys, you can see all the existing keys over here. So I'm going to generate a new key by clicking on this create new secret key button. And then here I'm going to give a name to my key, that is summary. And then I'm going to select my project as default project, and then I'm going to create the secret key. So this is the API key generated, so I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste the API token over here. So now here after entering the API token, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here is asking me to select the OpenAI model. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the models available. So I'm going to select my model as GPT-4o Mini, and you can select the AI model as per your need. And then here is asking me me for the image or the PDF URL. So here I need to enter a publicly accessible link over here. So now here, instead of entering the PDF URL manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step or my previous steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new mail on our Outlook mail, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the PDF URL, I'm going to map the attachment link received over here through email parser response. And now after adding the link, it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here I need to enter the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI to generate a summary for this particular PDF received on my Outlook mail account. Alright, so here I'm going to add a relevant prompt. Alright, so here I've successfully added a prompt over here where I've added some instructions to generate a relevant summary for this particular PDF document. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the message content generated with the entire summary generated for the PDF received on our Outlook mail. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up this action step as well. So now here after generating the summary for the PDF received on our Outlook mail, I want to send the summary generated on my Gmail account. So for that I'm going to add another action step over here, and here in the action step I'm going to select my action application as Gmail. So Gmail is Google's email service that lets you send and receive emails online. So in my Gmail action step, I'm going to select my action event as send email v2, so that after generating the summary, automatically that summary should be mailed on my personal Gmail account. Alright, so now here to connect my Gmail with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Gmail account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Gmail. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the recipient email address. So here I need to enter the address to whom I want to send this mail. So here for the email address, I'm going to add my own personal email address as demo@pabblytudes.com. So this is my personal mail account, and here I want to make this email address static. Alright, so now moving forward, here the CC and BCC fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add the CC or BCC, then you can do it as per your need. And then here the sender email address has already been updated automatically, so I'm not going to make any changes over here. And here for the sender name, I'm going to add the sender name as OpenAI. And now here after keeping the sender name, it is asking me for the email subject. So I'm going to add the email subject as summary of, and then here I'm going to map the subject received in my email parser response. So this is the subject. So it says summary of loan agreement. Alright, so now moving forward, here this reply to field is not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the email content type, I'm going to select plain, and then here it is asking me for the email content. So again here I'm going to map the email content generated by OpenAI. So this is the content generated, and then here it is asking me for the file name, attachment, label IDs and signature. So again these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a mail on my Gmail account with the summary generated by OpenAI. So now let's go and check the mail. And here you can see in the inbox we have successfully received a mail with the subject as summary of loan agreement and the sender name as OpenAI and the entire summary generated by OpenAI. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up an entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as email parser by Pabbly and our action as OpenAI and Gmail, so that whenever we are going to receive new email on our Outlook mail, then automatically email parser by Pabbly is going to extract the email details, and after extracting the details, automatically attachment link is going to be shared with OpenAI, and then OpenAI is going to generate the summary for that particular PDF attached, and after generating the summary, automatically that summary generated is going to be shared on my Gmail account as a new mail. Alright, so these were the steps to how to summarize PDF received on Outlook mail mail using AI agent. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.